Welcome to Kidsu, learning and educational channel.
Today we are going practice reading sentences. Let's start, kids. The cat is on the mat. I see a red ball. The dog can run fast. Tom has a big hat. The sun is bright. We play in the park. The bird is in the tree. I like to eat apples. Mom reads a book. Dad drives a car. The fish swims in the pond. Ben has a pet dog. I see a yellow duck. The kite is in the sky. The cow eats green grass. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.